Good morning, guys. So something unexpected happened. As you guys have seen before, I've shared this on my YouTube post, and this is not the modification that I made to my car, but apparently the logo it just flew off. I think 2 weeks ago, halfway, and this has been quite common actually, and it's happening to a lot of people, a lot of BMW owners. So guess I have to do some DIY work today. So I have ordered a new badge for my car, and this is not the original. This is just some badge that I ordered from Shopee. The original one will cost about 200 ringgit plus, 200 ringgit plus, and the fake one, the non-original one, will cost from few ringgits to 28 ringgit. This one I bought 28 ringgits ready stock, so that I don't have to wait for them to send from China. And yeah, I also have this tool with me. This is the dismantling tool and some alcohol wipe to clean the residue or the glue before I put the new badge on it. And this is a very useful tool. This one I got it when I changed my push start button, so I had to dismantle the entire thing so that it's easier to replace. And now I will use this to remove the old badge. So let's start with a small one. Yep. There we go. All right. So remember, every BMW badge comes with different holes. So you must make sure that you bought the correct one. So it's best to go online, do some survey and check on it. So yeah, this is the correct one, 3 holes. Then now we just have to clean the double-sided tape away before you put the new one. Okay, so clean it properly with the alcohol wipe. Okay, make sure there's no more residue left, and then let it dry up. Then we can put it to fit nicely. Hold it tight. It should fit easily because the 3 hole there, see this 3 hole should sit properly together with the badge. So you just need to hold it for a while. And I'm not gonna drive my car out today, just in case I have to undergo some crazy weather like rain or things like that. So just gonna leave the car here for 1 day. So here we have, looks great again. Initially I thought of changing it to the the carbon fiber look one, so that in fact I actually ordered the front one, the rear one, this one, and also the steering badge from China Taobao. But so happened that the seller there, they are undergoing a lockdown in China, and they are not able to send the stuff, to deliver the stuff, so I cancel it and I just ordered one from Shopee, from a local seller. So yep, looks great and handsome back again. Okay, I think that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and bye.